Good morning, children. So today we will continue with arithmetic progression exercise 1.3, 11th question. Okay. So the 11th question of the exercise is, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th and the nth terms. Okay. So they have given the sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay. That is Sn is given. Sum of first n terms of an AP is given as 4n minus n square. This is given. You have to find the first term, that is A. You have to find first term. Then what is the sum of first two terms, that is S2 you have to find. S2. Then what is the second term, that is A2 you have to find second term. Then similarly find the third, the 10th and the nth terms. You have to find third term, that is A3 you have to find. Then 10th term A10 and also the nth term, that is an. These are the things you have to find using Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. So Sn is, sum of n terms is given like this. You have to find the first term, sum of the second terms and so on. Okay, so now here you have to substitute. If you want now the first term, yes, so substitute in place of n 1. Okay, so S1 is equals to 4n. N is nothing but 1 you have to substitute. Minus n is again 1 square. Simplify, you will get 4 minus 1 square is 1. That is 3. The S1, what is the meaning of S1? Sum of first term. Yes, sum of first term is also same and first term is also same. Isn't it, children? So S1 here is nothing but the first term. The first term itself is 3. Sum of the first term and first term, both are same things. Okay, so A is also equals to 3. Now next you have to find S2. Yes, to find S2, what you have to do? Substitute S2 in place of n. Write first 4n minus n square. Sn is given as 4n minus n square. So now we have to find S2, that is sum of two terms. So in place of n substitute 2. So 4 into 2 minus 2. In place of n substitute 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the sum of two terms is nothing but here 4. Yes, sum of first two terms. Sum of first term is 3. Sum of first two term is 4. Then how to find A2, second term? So second term will be nothing but S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 will give you the second term. Okay. So the second term will be nothing but S2 minus S1. Isn't it? You can take an example of an AP. Add the two terms, first term and the second term. Then subtract from that the sum of the first term. You will get nothing but the second term. Okay. So A2 is equals to S2 minus S1. That is S2 is 4 minus S1. S1 is nothing but 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So the second term of the AP is 1. So this is nothing but it is a formula, that is nth term is given by Sn minus 1. Okay. So this you can use it as a formula when the sum of the terms are given and you have to find the terms of the AP. Okay. So this formula is to be used there. Okay, A2 is nothing but S2 minus S1, Sn minus 1. Okay, that formula to be used. Now next, to find A3. To find A3 again by this formula A3 we will get it by subtracting sum of the three terms minus sum of 3 minus 1. That is sum of two terms. Okay, so S2 we know. Find S3 to get third term. Okay, so firstly we have to find S3. So S3 is nothing but 4n minus n square. Firstly we have to write Sn. Sn is given as 4n minus n square. So using this we can find sum of 3 terms. That is, in place of n you have to substitute 3 now. Into 3 minus 3 square. So you get 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square is 9. 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. So the sum of 3 terms is 3 we got. Now we can find A3. So A3 will be nothing but S3 minus S2. Yes, using this formula. That is, An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so now S3 is nothing but 3 and S2 is, we have found it out here, it is 4. So 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1. So the third term is minus 1. Okay children, now next let's find the 10th term. Okay, so to find the 10th term, again you have to find sum of 10 terms and sum of 9 terms. Then you can find the 10th term using the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1. That is S10 minus S9. Okay, so to find A10, firstly we have to find S10. So to find S10, it is nothing but 4 into 10 minus 10 square. Okay children, so you will get 4 tens are 40 minus 10 square is 100. So 40 minus 100 is minus 60. This is sum of 10 terms. Now we have to also find sum of 9 terms. To find A10, so substitute 4 into 9 minus 9 square. We are substituting in this. 4 into 9 minus n square, that is 9 square. So 4 9s are 36 minus 9 square is 81. So 81 minus 36, that is 45. Okay, minus 45 is sum of 9 terms. Okay children, now we can find A10. So A10 will be nothing but S10 minus S9, sum of 10 terms minus sum of 9 terms using the formula An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so you get S10 is nothing but minus 60. Minus as it is, S9 is sum of 9 terms is minus 45. So you get minus 16 minus into minus plus 45. That is, the 10th term is nothing but minus 60 plus 45. So you will get 50. Okay, so this is the 10th term of the AP. Okay children, now find An. Okay, now in the same way we have to find An. Yes, minus 50. Okay, now next find An. To find An, firstly we need Sn and Sn minus 1. So Sn we know, Sn is something but 4n minus n square, that is given. Okay, now we have to find Sn minus 1. Okay, in place of n we have to substitute now n minus 1. So 4 into n minus 1 minus n square. N is nothing but, now we have to substitute n minus 1 whole raised to square. So you get 4 into n 4n minus 4. This a minus b whole raised to square you have to apply here. So you will get n square minus 2n plus 1. Okay. So now 4n minus 4 minus into n square minus n square minus into minus plus 2n minus into plus minus 1. Okay, simplify this. So you get 4n plus 2n is 6n minus n square minus 4 minus 1 is minus plus n square plus 5. Okay, so minus n square plus n square will get cancelled. 4n minus 6n is minus 2n plus 5, or you can write nth term is nothing but 5 minus 2n. So this is the nth term. Okay children, so this is the way, this is the new formula which you have to remember here. When some of the terms are given, you have to find the terms of the AP, you have to use this formula. Okay, yes. Now let's move on to the next question. That is 12th one. So 12th one question is, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. You have to find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, they should be divisible by 6. So write the AP. Okay, so therefore the numbers divisible by 6. What are the numbers divisible by 6? So the AP begins from 6, 12, 18 and so on till where 40 positive integers. First positive integer, second positive integer, third positive integer. How do you get? 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are. Like this. 40 positive integers means the last one will be 6 into 40. Okay children, we have to find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So it begins from 6, 12, 18 till 6 into 40. So the last term will be nothing but here 6 fours are 24. That is 240 will be the last term. Okay. So now find the sum. Okay. So A is given 6. The first term is 6. Difference will be nothing but 12 minus 6. That is 6. Okay. Then number of terms 40. N is 40. And the last term is also known. First term is also known. So directly you can use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus n. Okay. So now sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6 will be 40 divided by 2 into A 6 plus L last term 240. So it is nothing but 20 into 6 plus 40 246. So if you multiply 246 into 20, you get 4920. So the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. Okay children? Now let's see the 13th question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. You have to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So write the first 15 multiples of 8 are. What are the first 15 multiples of 8? Multiples of 8 means 8 ones are, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and so on till 15. Means it is 8 into 15. Okay children, 8 into 15. That is nothing but 120 is the last term. So now we have to find the sum. So first term is again 8. Difference is nothing but 16 minus 8. That is 8. Then number of terms are 15. You have to find the sum of 15 numbers. Last term is also known 120. So we can use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus n. Okay, so Sn means sum of 15 terms. Okay, so 15 by 2 into A is 8 plus last term is 120. You can use the other formula also. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That formula also can be used. D is known, n is known, first term is known. You can use that formula also or this formula. Both are correct. So now 15 by 2 into 8 plus 120 is 128. So you can cancel 15 into 64. So 15 into 64 gives you 960. So sum of 15 multiples of 8 are 960. Okay children? Yes. Now let's see the next one. Fourteenth one. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. You have to find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, so you have to write the terms which come between, numbers which come between 0 and 50. So the odd numbers between 0 and 50 are, yes, what are the numbers? Odd numbers between 0 and 50. So it begins from 1, 3, 5 till between. Okay. So that is last odd number will be 49. Okay. Now we have to find the sum. Okay. So A is known. One last term is also known. AN or the last term is 49. Now but here we don't know n value. Yes, we need to find n first to use the formula. So first we will find how many odd numbers are there between 1 to 49. Okay, so what is D here? Difference is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay children, now find first using AN, A plus n minus 1 into D. First find n, number of terms between 1 and 0 and 50. 1 to 49, how many terms are there? AN is 49, A is 1, n minus 1 we have to find, D is 3. Sorry, D is 2. So 49 minus 1 is equals to n minus 1 into 2. So 48, 2 on the other side will be divided by 2 is equals to n minus 1. So if you simplify, 24 is equals to n minus 1. N is equals to 24 plus 1, that is n is 25. So you have 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now find the sum. So sum of n by 2 into A plus L we can use because first and last term both we need. Sum of 25 terms we are finding. Okay, so n is 25 by 2 into A. A is 1 plus last term is 49. Substitute and simplify. 25 by 2 into 50. 49 plus 1, 50. 2 ones are 225. So 25 into 25 is 625. So the sum of 25 terms or the 25 odd numbers is 625. Okay children? Yes. Now let's